think I had anything out here tonight. What is this in the middle of the sky? There you go. It is one of them on a very cloudy night here in New York City. It is Tuesday, April 22nd. We know the year. So, I thought there wouldn't be anything out here tonight, but this is across the West Side Highway. This is facing west, almost going to New Jersey on the other side. I see another big, bright light. See? Right beyond. That's scaffolding and then street light right there. Oh, there we go. It changed by itself. I didn't even tap on the light meter. And it had a little bit of color in it. It shrunk back down on its own. I tapped the light meter there, made it go up, get bigger. That is a plane down there. Although it doesn't look like one, it's because I tapped on the light meter. I see another one approaching. Let me zoom out for a sec. There's the image right there. I'm filming. All right, where is it? See it? See it? Bottom left. Now, I'm not sure that that's a plane. Give me a second, it's going to go right through. Yeah, literally right through. You saw it as well as me. It seemed to go right through those poles. Could it be a drone? It's going awfully slow. From that distance, I can't tell, but now I've got them both in view. The one I was filming on the top right and the one on the bottom left. But I want to get this until it goes out of sight. Oh, it got bigger. I tapped on the light meter. I think it's one of them. The one that I'm filming in the sky. Why is it going so low? It's turned red. It's going so slow, like a snail's pace. But I thought there wouldn't be anything out here tonight, but there is. Tomorrow is supposed to be tomorrow night less cloudy. So, where is it? It's out of sight now, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's go back to this. I did tap the light meter just then, it got bigger. So, you see two things for the price of one. I can't even see it outside my phone because it's like the encasing for the West Side Highway, and it's going up higher, and it just went out of sight. That thing going at a slug's pace. But I didn't think it was a plane, and it wasn't a plane. So I had to get some air. I haven't been out since this afternoon. And there was one guy smoking in front of my building. There was a puff of smoke in my face by accident. And just want to air it out, do a little video. It's been a little bit since my last one. That's a motor scooter. Yeah, this one I'm filming right here is the only real image, plus the one that I showed you a moment ago. 2 images tonight. And I walked around the block, all the way around, a couple blocks. Didn't see anything until this. So I am out here looking for things for you and for myself, and I usually know where to go to find them. Certain areas they show up. Oh, where are we? What happened? We're right here. Oh, tired. At least this is fairly good sized compared to some other videos that you knew it was something unusual, but you know, it's so small. Sometimes people film these things, but I like to get them at least this size or much bigger. I haven't had one really much bigger, except the moon acting real weird. Someone just gave me a post while I'm filming this. God, we're just constantly updated with messages, texts. I'm tired of it. You know, let it be something important. Usually isn't, but sometimes, yeah, it's important. One thing good about texting is you can cancel appointments. You don't have to call them on the phone. It's the only good thing about it. As I've said before, I'd much rather talk to people in person. I see something above, but yeah, it's a plane. Oh yeah. This thing in the sky, I didn't think it was a plane from the start because it was real bright. It wasn't moving, or it didn't seem to be. Sometimes planes are coming straight towards you from a distance and they're really moving forward, but after a few moments of seeing this, I could see that it wasn't. It did get bigger and smaller, changed shape. So what are these things exactly? Do you know? Well, I don't think they're plasma, which has been talked about lately. I don't think so. There's a nice breeze out today. God, it was such a nice day. Must have been up to 80 degrees, but it's almost May, so it goes with the territory, folks. What's this over here? What is that? Is that a plane? Yeah, it might be. It's pretty far away. I don't know. I mean, there's an airport across the river is Newark. It seems to be like tilted upwards, you know, not parallel. God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Could be a drone, I don't think so. Now it was tilted upwards, now it's going lower, now it's gonna, see that scaffolding, the highway scaffolding, it's gonna go under that. Alright, well, hey, go back to my original image, where is right here.
I smoked a lot of weed for 3 years in this day. So that's the problem.
Yeah, that was weird. Wait a minute, folks. I think I see another one. What is that? Down there. See that? I shouldn't have tapped on the light meter. There's another. It's far away south. Yeah, it's just in the middle of the... Yeah, look at it. Wow, got 2, 3, 4 good ones here. It's kind of a greenish color. Yep, I can see it. It's outside the building, about 500 yards. Really bright. Close to the buildings. Not super high up in the sky. What the hell is it? And it's got some black around it at the top. It's closing in. It's going towards the building. It's going to go in. Whoa! I think, and here comes another one. See it? On the right side, bottom. That thing seemed to disappear a few seconds ago. Not this one, the one a few seconds ago. But on a night I didn't think there was anything out here. There's several things. This one is very hard to see. It's going kind of slow. Look at that. Look at that. Responding. Then it disappears. Planes can't disappear unless they go into the Bermuda Triangle. They're probably better off with today's reality. Yeah, a lot of planes disappear. Not a lot. Just don't fly over certain areas where there might be like a space portal, which this thing might be. It's a globe. You can see a little bit on the inside on the right. A little depth to it. So, got some weird stuff on this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Took a little, few minutes to get going, but it's not how you start, it's how you finish off. Let me go back there, zoom out. Oh, that was too much of a zoom. There we go, with the original image. We'll end with this. Oh, when the bus turned the corner, I could feel the ground trembling underneath. Well, I'm really glad I came out tonight. See if I can post this before I go to sleep. These are strange sights in the sky. Whoa, what was that above? Thought I saw something else. So, good people. It's been another one for the ages. And we will see you again, most likely tomorrow, for the next exciting video. Tune in or tune out. And order those brand new strange sights in the sky. T-shirts on sale now on Zazzle and on Spreadshirt. I'll leave the link in this video below. And until then,